Hello everyone. Today we're back with a sweet recipe, and this one is my husband's all-time favorite. Today we're making Shahi Tukda. Today I'm making a serving for 2 people. So I'm taking 2 slices of bread. You can cut the slice in the desired shape. I'm cutting it in cubes because cubes are easier to manage. Now in a pan take 2 tablespoons of desi ghee or cow ghee and fry the slice of bread. Fry them till they're golden brown. Flip the slices and cook them till they're golden brown. Now we'll remove the pan from the heat. In another pan, we'll take 2 large tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of water, and edible food color. We'll cook this mixture on high flame and keep stirring it till the sugar dissolves in water. Once the sugar dissolves, put it on high flame and let it come to boil. Let the mixture reduce to half of its quantity. Now we'll switch off the stove and let the mixture cool down a bit. Now in another pan, I am taking half a cup of milk, I am also adding 1 Elaichi to it for the fragrance. And 1 teaspoon of Milkmaid. Now cook the milk and let it reduce. Keep on scraping the milk from the edges of the pan and let it reduce. Once the consistency is thick, we'll turn off the flame. Now in the warm mixture of sugar and water, which is our sheera, we'll add the bread slices. We'll let the bread slices soak in the mixture. Remove it before it gets soggy. Now in your desired plate, arrange your slices. Put your milk mixture or the rubbery that you've made. and garnish it with pistachios and almonds. Your Shahi Tukda is done. Thank you for watching our videos. Please do like, share and subscribe.